I'm going to explain about Tsampa. Some people they know, but some people they don't know. So I will tell you some important things about Tsampa. I will tell you the key points how to make good Tsampa. That's very important. Many people they're a little bit confused about Tsampa. They think like Tsampa is easy and they just they get barley and then they're just making Tsampa. That's not good. Tsampa good or not good, it depends on barley. Barley quality is one important because in outside of Tibet there's we cannot get good quality barley. So that's one important. When you get good barley, after you want fry well the barley, and this is very important. So if you cannot fry well, then not good. You can fry very good your barley, then your barley become as this, so beautiful and like flower. So after that you make clean, and then you make Tsampa. Then it's Tsampa. You can say like Tsampa is delicious and very important. So those things very important when you make Tsampa. So there's so many bala bala, but I don't want to tell more about this. That not important, not necessary. Just few things you will know, then you can make good Tsampa. That is important. Okay, then I will show you how to make Tsampa. The Tibetan nomad or farmer, they're making Tsampa as this. You will see. You watch this, then you will know. It's more clean. You will understand.
You can say.